Hi there, it's Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor with Palestine Realty. Just wanted to show you this brand new listing that we just came on the market. It's 114 Golden Eagle Road in Henderson. This is the home behind me. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,575 square feet. It has a split master bedroom floor plan, a breakfast bar. The backyard is enormous, very pretty backyard with some trees, and there's a storage building in the back too. Again, the address is 114 Golden Eagle Road in Henderson. If you know somebody who might be interested, feel free to tag them below. Have a comment, just ask me questions below if you need to, and please like and share. There's going to be a link down below also that you can find out more information. You can go to it and see a 360 tour of the property, or there's even a slideshow, that sort of thing. But just go in and check it out. And like I said, if you know anybody who might be interested, please tag them in this video. So anyway, any questions, feel free to holler at me. This is Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor with Palestine Realty.